Hey guys, what's up? What's good? It's your girl Shakira. Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this very simple and cute rubber band hairstyle that was requested from my followers on TikTok. Now if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am starting this hairstyle on freshly washed hair as usual. My hair is already detangled and moisturized, although it doesn't look like it. So I'm just going back in with a comb to make sure my hair is properly detangled. So for this hairstyle, I'm going to be making a cornrow down in the middle front section of my head. So that is what I am parting out right now to get my cornrow out of the way. Take your time with your parting, try to get it to look as clean as possible because trust me, your parting makes all the difference in making your hair look very neat and professional. The cleaner the part, the neater your hairstyle will look. I put the rest of my hair up so it doesn't get in the way of my cornrow, and I'm just going in with some of my oil just to make my part look very shine and again clean. This is just like something I always do. I think I got it from when my mom used to always grease my scalp. So anytime I'm doing hairstyle where my part is showing, I like to go in with some oil just to make it look very clean. Okay, so right now I am just creating my cornrow and I'm going to be braiding this all the way down to the end. And if you guys do not know how to cornrow, I have a video on my channel that I will leave in the cards and also in the description bar if you guys are interested in checking it out. I use paper to help demonstrate step by step how to cornrow. It might sound weird, but even from the comment section you guys can see this method is very easy and super quick. If you use this method, you guys would be able to cornrow as neat as I am doing it in no time. So like I said, I will leave it in the cards and also in my description bar in case you're watching this and you do not know how to cornrow, you can check that video out. Right now I am just parting out a section for my rubber bands. This section is about 3 times as big as my cornrow, and I'm making sure it is properly detangled, and I'm also going back in to make sure my part is nice and clean. I am putting the rest of my hair up into a ponytail so it does not get in the way of my rubber band sections. Right now I'm just making 4 smaller sections for my rubber bands, and for this section in the front I'm just going in with some gel just to make sure I do not have any flyaway hair and just to clean it up a bit. Now I'm just going in with some regular rubber bands that I got from the beauty supply store, and I did not show on camera, but I did oil the rubber bands before installing them because I really think oiling them prevents the rubber band from snagging on your hair. We are going to do the same thing on the opposite side of the corner. Okay, so now I am going to be creating some X's for lack of a better explanation. And as you can see in the first one, instead of passing the hair over the cornrow, I am using my latch hook to help me get the hair underneath the cornrow. So we are going left to right, then secure it with a rubber band, and then we're going on the opposite side from right to left. And you're gonna just continue doing this until all of your section have X's. And if you did 4 section on each side like I did, 4 rubber band sections on each side, you should have 3 X's. Okay, so now that I am finished with my little design, I'm gonna put my hair up into a low ponytail. But if you are new to my channel, what I'm doing right now, I'm just leaving out a little section close to my edges because as you guys can see, they are very thin, so I do not like to pull them too tight, causing too much tension. So I'm gonna put the rest of my hair into the low ponytail first, and then I'm gonna take my time and brush those edges in because I like my hair to look really nice and sleek, but at the same time I don't want it to be too tight. So now that I am finished with my little ponytail and it is looking all nice and sleek, I'm just going in and taking care of my little side pigtails, making sure they're looking all curly and nice. Guys, they only look curly for like the first day. After that, they're all coiled up. And I usually just wash out the gel and then do it all over again if I'm keeping this hairstyle in for more than like 1 day. And I'm also going in with my toothbrush that I use for my edges, just to make sure my hair is just looking very neat and sleek and nice, like how we like it. So because my hair was not in like a braid out or twist out or anything that would have had my ends looking a lot better than it is looking now, I did off camera went and add some of my better length extensions, my clip-ins, just to give it that look that I'm going for. And I did not show it on camera because I already have a lot of videos with me installing this same hair. I guess I will leave some of them in the cards and also in my description bar if you guys are interested. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. I really hope you like it. I also added some hair jewelry just to give it that extra oomph, as I like to say. But yeah, don't forget to leave me a comment. Maybe you guys can request some hairstyles as well, as my followers on TikTok they usually do. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, and also make sure the notification bell is turned on. I have a lot of fun stuff and giveaways coming up, so make sure your notification bell is turned on because you do not want to miss out on any of those. Share this video as well with and to everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.